Hi friends, how are you? Actually, I'm coming from a meeting, so I'm just gonna give you a little summary of what happened in this meeting, and you might be able to learn, and you might have some similar question. So I'll just give you a little summary what happened here. So I met this client who is 43-year-old single woman. She's having a good job where she's making around 98,000 in a medical profession. She doesn't have children. She's not married. She's a homeowner here in Mississauga. Now, we need to plan for her in a way where she is protected, of course, right? And her question was that she wants to grow her retirement accounts aggressively because of the kind of income she's making. Otherwise she's going to pay a lot of taxes. So in this kind of a case, what we're going to do, first of all, she doesn't she needs to do RRSP contribution as much as she can do, maximum I would say. Okay, so she doesn't pay much taxes. Now she's a homeowner. We need to make sure her mortgage amount is protected in case something happens to her. You might say she doesn't have a family. That's true, but guess what, guys? She has some charities where she helps and believes in. So her planning is, if she doesn't, in future, even she doesn't get married, she will be donating into those charities and the causes she believes in. So we are doing a full transfer of her mortgage insurance from she has with the bank right now, which will be coming to insurance company, which is better for her. That's another episode for explanation. So basically we're gonna do her RRSP contribution, and now RRSP is where we're gonna contribute for her or transfer her RRSPs, where she will have maturities and guarantees on her principal. Okay, so we'll be doing that for her. We'll be doing her mortgage insurance to cover the mortgage in case something happened prematurely. And now major thing here is, because she's single and she's making good money, we need to make sure, and she works on a contract basis, so she doesn't have any benefits from her job whatsoever. So we will be protecting her in case of disability, injury or sickness. So I will be putting all proposal for her. This is right now I have in mind, so I thought I'll just share with you. I'll work behind the scenes. I'll make full proposal for her, and then I'll tell you how it went. Take care. Have a good day. If you have any questions, you can DM me. Take care. Bye.